Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to this PNG Boosters review. This is a graphics solution, and what this does is it gives you a bunch of resources in form of PNG, but not limited to PNG only. It gives you a bunch of resources that allows you to become a professional graphics person. That's basically the simplest explanation for this, because this gives you access to resources you can actually go and use on any project. Either you are trying to develop a page or you are trying to create graphics online for any purpose. These PNG images you are going to be getting access to are already cut out for you, and what that means is that you can easily pick up these images, place them on any background, and that actually works a lot. You can use them on residential background, you can use them on nature, you can basically use these images on any background, and you are getting access to quite a ton of them. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, I want you to stick with me during this review, as I've also put together some high value custom bonuses to get you the best results with PNG Boosters. You are going to be getting access to up to 5,000 different already cut out PNG images that you can go and use on any project. Now, PNG Boosters launches on the 22nd of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. This is my bonus page, and you'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. Now, I'm going to run through my bonuses, and then we will talk about the pricing and stuff like that. So, my first bonus, you are going to be getting access to a software that allows you to drive traffic from other people's videos. This does not involve video creation or content creation. Now, you can go and take any of the images you are going to be getting access to in PNG Boosters, and then you can actually come and add them to any selected videos in all niches. You are going to be able to select any video, and this works in any niche: make money online, affiliate marketing, web design, health and fitness, spirituality, you name it. This works to drive you free traffic. Either you want to send traffic to affiliate offers, or you want to send traffic to your blog or any other link. This software allows you to do this without any experience at all. Also, bonus number 2, you are going to be getting access to done for you PowerPoint video templates. Now, the front end of PNG Boosters gives you access to these images that are cut out for you, and you can go and use on any background. Now, you are going to be getting access to done for you video templates here, and this template does not require you to have any special software to edit. You'll be able to customize with PowerPoint. Now, once you load them up in PowerPoint, you can change text, change images, hit the export button, and get MP4 videos ready for your project, for Instagram, for YouTube, for Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform you want to go and use this on. Also, I'm going to be showing you a video where I explain to you how you can get paid, a number of ways you can actually get paid on YouTube with video without showing your face on camera ever. Also, bonus number 4, you are going to be getting access to 4,000 plus ready-made images and codes that are ready to go either on any web project, your website, or any social media platform, and you can use this to start grabbing attention and driving a lot of targeted traffic. Also, bonus number 5, you are going to be getting access to another 2,000 plus HD royalty free images that are never seen before, and you can actually use this also on any project. Either you want to create videos and stuff like that. Also, here I'm going to be showing you how to actually create videos with images. This doesn't require you to put your face on camera, but this allows you to be able to create content in the easiest way possible. So you can go and use all the images and all the resources you're going to be getting in these bonuses and in PNG Boosters to create some awesome videos. Also, bonus number 6, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. Now, there's a ton of bonuses you are going to be getting from the vendor, but just to let you know that you are going to be getting access to all these bonuses from me also, as the vendor has given me these bonuses to give to you also. And this include 100 high quality green screen background videos, white label right push button covers, white label right graphics wizard, local whiteboard videos, dentist, handyman, locksmith, plumber. So just to let you know, there's a ton of them, and you're going to be getting access to all these bonuses from me also. Now, to lock in all these bonuses, all you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, and if you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of PNG Boosters, where you're going to be able to get PNG Boosters, and where you're also going to be getting additional information about the product. So here it says world's first human emotions based thousands of PNG cutouts to delight your audience with the right emotion and make your brand more memorable. So feel free, come check out the video presentation right here, and also come check out the sales page in your own time to get more information about PNG Boosters. This goes live by 11 a.m. EST, 22nd of October, and you're going to be getting some samples of these images, numbering up to 5,000 plus images, and you are going to be getting them in different categories, different genders, different emotions, and you can actually go and use this in any of your projects. Feel free, come check out these samples on this sales page. These are the wide variety of applications that you can go and use these images on. Now, talking about the pricing, the front end has both personal and commercial license. The personal goes for 24, commercial license goes for 27. That's the front end. And then there are some optional upgrades, talking about the video boosters that has up to 3,500 plus HD videos, 10,000 plus animated graphics and icons. This goes for 47. I guess there's going to be a downsell that allows you to pick that up for 37. The second optional upgrade is the graphic boosters upgrade that goes for 67. You can decline that and pick it up for 57, and this gives you access to professional virtual backdrops categorized in 60 niches. You get access to all these features right here. Now, the final upgrade, which is the third one, is the full family reseller license that goes for 127, which you can decline and pick it up for 67, and this gives you access to resell PNG Boosters family for your own profits, and you get 100% commission bump on the front end and 70% commissions on the upgrades. And this talks about the number of licenses and how much this costs. So that's going to be my review of PNG Boosters. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.